Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow passenger stopping in with some technical details on the Ethereum cryptocurrency. Now, a lot may have this same exact chart that I'm about to show you. I think the price targets may vary. I'm just going to give you my speculative observation of what I'm seeing in the chart. So just stick around with me till the end. If you're just joining us, welcome in. Consider hitting the subscribe button if you enjoy the content. I can't provide any financial advice for you, so I can't tell you what to do. And our loyal subscribers, welcome back, guys. The YouTube algorithm is promoting on the channel. Thanks to every single one of you who are leaving appropriate thumbs and comments. So thank you for that. Let's not waste time. Let's go ahead and dive into this Ethereum chart and see where I can see the price potentially going in a reasonable amount of time. Let's dive into the charts, shall we? All right, so today is February the 13th, 2021, and the current price of Ethereum is going to be $1,815. Well, $1,815.00. It's down approximately 1.4% for the day. All right, so let's just pull up. Like I said, guys, this is probably going to look exactly like everyone else's chart. It's pretty simple, actually. This is it. That's it. Really simple. So obviously the ATH, for those of you who don't know, that represents the all-time high. This is going to be at approximately, it's like 1379 approximately. But before we get into this is kind of like present day. This is like the consolidation range, which you're looking at about January 2018 over to the up speculative breakout. It looks pretty official to me. January 2021. So all this price action and that beautiful cupature formation. Let me know down in the comment section. I know a lot of people have the same exact chart, so I'm just going to reiterate what everyone else is saying. Honestly, it's pretty cut and dry. It looks really good and clean. I mean, if you think Ethereum is expensive right now, I mean, okay, just stick around for the show here. But let's go down into where I've gotten this comparison, this all-time high red line and this cupature formation. I want to just show you something down here in the lower levels. Back in 2016, I think it was in September, I was able to locate this little small cupature formation. And again, I'm sure a lot of people, this isn't new to a lot of people, as everyone has this on their chart. September 2016 over to the breakout here at February 2017. So you had a little small consolidation range as the price consolidated and broke out. It looks like 154 days, so it didn't really take that long. And the way that I got this target right here, this little white line represents a target. It's really simple, actually. It's nothing complicated, guys. I just take a trend line from the breakout, like the neckline, up the red line here, and then I measure it all from the lowest point of the cupature formation right down here. So you just take a trend line. It's really simple. It's kind of like the inverted head and shoulders. If you guys are, if you're frequent on the channel here, we do the same exact way. This might not be the right way, so my extreme technical guys, let me know if I'm actually doing this right. So that's how I was able to find that target there at the breakout, and then obviously it exceeded that target. It was like $20.97. So excuse me. So that's basically what I'm comparing it to. This is this overall price action here, the cupature formation. Measure it from the neckline to the bottom, find the target, and obviously they exceeded the target as if it wasn't even there, like if it was a joke, right? And it kind of went all the way up to the 1300. This next red line up here. What did I say? Like 1362 approximately. So that's when we bring it over to this gigantic cupature formation, which is obviously a large version of what we've already shown you in a smaller time frames. What we're going to do is measure from here, January 2018 over to present day, January 2021. So that seems like a very extended amount of consolidation taking place, assuming that this is an official breakout. We got about 1120 days on this consolidation range, and the same thing sorry, to measure this breakout, you take the neckline here, of course, and then you measure it with the lowest point in this cupature formation. Take your little trendy line there, put it there. I just want to show everyone how I got the target, so it's like super simple. There's nothing like magical about what I'm doing. So that's how I got the overhead target, which I don't even think I've disclosed with you wonderful folks just yet. That's going to be at about 2683 is the target. And I do have a pretty extreme target for you guys overhead. I don't remember how I got the target, but just this is the target overhead at approximately $13,964 for Ethereum, each individual currency, a full cryptocurrency. Excuse me. So if you want to buy a cryptocurrency, assuming I'm not delusional and assuming this actually comes to fruition, you'll probably be looking at what is that, $13,964 for Ethereum token. at some point here in the future. I know that a lot of people, analysts, probably have higher targets, but this is what I was able to pick up, guys. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm not sure, but please assess your risk tolerance. Do not listen to me. This is seriously. This is not financial advice. Don't do that. Don't hit that buy button. Do your research. This is technical data. I have never read a single article about Ethereum, guys. Please. I know we make good calls, but just don't hold me accountable. I want everyone to be safe out there. I want everyone to capitalize on these fluctuations. And I don't want any fingers pointed at me also. Nor do I care, but I just really want everyone to seriously be profitable in these markets. So have a strategy, know how much you're going to risk. I guess let me just go ahead and let you know how much. Let's just say we get a back test, right, of this all-time high. Let's just say something weird happens and it actually, goes down to like 1371. Because I know a lot of people, they take these videos and they just start hitting that buy button, guys. I want everyone to be successful, but I don't want you to, get yourself hurt out there, right? And it goes down to that red line, 24%. So, assess how you would approach this market, okay? We'll close it out here. I'll let you know this. I'll let you know this right now. If for whatever reason, for whatever weird reason, the market just comes down, and this is what I would do if I want to enter from a position of strength. 1309, like 1310. If there's some sort of spike rejection or like a really nasty shakeout before the move up, yeah, 1309 is what I would be looking at for like a nice wick in. Those are so nice. Those wick ins, you never experience any negative. Like as soon as you're in, you're up on your investment like 20%. It's so beautiful. All right, I'm so passionate about this stuff, guys. Ignore me sometimes. So that's pretty much all I have for Ethereum. You have the overhead this is the practical target for those of you. The practical target, okay? For those of you trying to ride the wave all the way up and it gets to the practical target and then you have like a nasty move to the downside. Yeah, don't. Just understand that the markets are very volatile. They're trying to shake you out of your position and it goes up. So just understand that's a practical target. I'll go over for you one more time. It's 2689 that I was able to get from technical data, nothing else, okay? So that's a practical level. Let's do a quick measurement of how high it goes up to that level. That's like 50%. That's really nice. So yeah, conservative players, that's what I would do right up to that level. Leave some skin, leave some runners in the market as well if you can get a nice scalper, or I'm not even sure that's the word to use. If you can get a nice play on that, but leave something in the market there. So if you can catch that wave up, that's really nice, guys. If you can catch it up there, let's see how much of a percentage all the way up to that white line. That's like 654%. That's really nice. And again, I know bulls. I know it's probably going to go higher, guys. But this is how I do it. This is how I find the interesting practical levels that I can understand. And this is as far as my technical thesis can see on this Ethereum beautiful instrument. We're going to go ahead and close it out here, guys. Thank you for your time. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. If you enjoyed it, the content is still going up as we're talking here. Leave a comment. Let me know if you guys are invested in Ethereum and the USD pairing. Also, before you go, if you, I'm not sure if you guys are into stocks. We actually cover that 7 days a week. So subscribe, hit the bell with us. We'll send you that information. We cover that quite extensively on the channel here. And I do appreciate your time. I'll say that a million times, okay? So take care of yourselves, protect your portfolio, execute your strategies. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.